Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique. Today we're diving into a must-have accessory bundle for retro handheld lovers. The JDGPOKOO 10-in-1 accessories kit for the PlayStation Vita 1000. If you've still got your PSV 1000 kicking around, this kit might just breathe new life into your setup. Let's get right into it. First off, this is not just a basic case or screen protector. It's a complete all-in-one package designed specifically for the PS Vita 1000 or PCH 1000 model. The kit includes a travel-friendly carrying case, a foldable crystal protective case, both front and back screen protectors, and 6 thumb grip caps. All tailored to give your Vita a fresh new look and solid protection for everyday use or travel. Let's start with the carrying case. It's made of nylon on the outside, and the inside is lined with soft fabric. That combination gives you protection from bumps, scratches, and dust. But what's really cool is that it's got an internal baffle design. That means your accessories stored in the top mesh won't scratch your Vita screen. And with 2 elastic securing straps, your console stays firmly in place even when you're on the move. Now, the protective case. This is a foldable crystal shell designed just for the PS Vita 1000. It's not just about looks, though the transparent finish does let your handheld shine through. It offers all-around surface protection and still gives you full access to buttons, ports, and even game card slots. The hinge design makes it super easy to pop the console in and out. And because it's transparent, it complements the Vita's original aesthetic without covering it up. Next, we have screen protection. On the front, you're getting a 9H hardness screen protector made from HD PET film. That gives you full screen coverage, with a thin and sensitive layer that still registers your touch input perfectly. It even has an anti-glare finish that helps reduce eye strain during long play sessions. For the back, it comes with a soft film protector. This prevents scratches without interfering with the rear touchpad functionality. And finally, let's talk about the thumb grips. The kit includes 6 in total, designed to slip right over your analog sticks. Whether you're playing a fast-paced action game or a precision-heavy RPG, these grips improve control and comfort. Plus, they protect the sticks from wear and tear over time. So who is this kit really for? If you still use your PS Vita 1000, or maybe you just picked one up recently as part of your retro collection, this is a great way to keep it protected and polished. It's simple, it works, and it bundles everything in one neat package so you don't have to hunt for parts individually. The JDGPOKOO 10-in-1 accessories kit proves that good accessory bundles don't have to be complicated. It covers all the essentials: protection, portability, and enhanced gameplay. No gimmicks, just functionality that fits perfectly with the classic PS Vita 1000. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you enjoyed this review, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more honest, hands-on looks at the gear you care about. Catch you in the next one.